Tamil Nadu, an ancient land rich in culture, arts, and its own unique crafts. Since the dawn of human civilization, this land has seen the pinnacle of excellence for the exemplary workmanship by its extraordinary craftsmen. The unbelievably intricate stone carvings and sculptures of this historical land still stand as a proud testimony to this artistic history. That ancient skill still runs through the veins of the sculptors today. As the stones shaped as they willed it to, metals too melted themselves into lovable perfections in the hands of our most talented creators of metal idols. They were venerated in the past, are hailed in the present. The bronze idols and statues made in Tamil Nadu are an extremely sought-after collectible by international connoisseurs. Woodcraft is another exquisite and exotic expression of arts and crafts of Tamil Nadu. Almost all of the carvings, sculptures, and objects chiseled here are solely, uniquely, and passionately crafted by expert hands with love and care to perfection and detailing. Pottery, another very ancient art of Tamil Nadu, has continuously evolved through the ages and is still widely used to create beautiful toys. Vessels, sculptures, and many more collectibles of art. Porcelain creations of innumerable beautiful forms and figures are another mature stream of artwork that has taken root in Tamil Nadu. The colorful mats made of reeds have become an adorable souvenir for the tourists who visit Tamil Nadu. The musical instruments of Tamil Nadu are the culmination of thousands of years of art and culture. Veenai, a unique string instrument from which originates heavenly classical music, can be seen sitting lovingly upon the laps of the most revered goddesses of this land. Tanjore paintings, the traditional art form unique to Tanjore, traces its origins well back to the year 1600 AD. Adorned with glittering gold foils, it is an art done with painstaking passion and patience. Extensive gesso work with an inlay of glass beads or rare semi-precious gems is a hallmark of Tanjore paintings. These paintings are rich and vivid in color and also carry a unique composition of alluring beauty in their intricacy. Kancheepuram silk saris of Tamil Nadu hold an international place of pride. These unique saris are crafted carefully with pure silk and gold zari work, and are woven into stunningly beautiful and divine designs by skilled expert weavers of this unique craft. Indulge your senses with bliss into the immensely diversified arts and crafts of this great and glorious land called Tamil Nadu.